The Nightingale. Once upon a time, there was a king. He lived in a beautiful palace in the land of China. Behind the palace was a forest. In the forest lived a nightingale. The nightingale sang so sweetly that he was known far and wide. People even wrote books about him. One day, the king read one of the books. "This bird lives in the forest behind my palace, but I have never heard him sing. I must," said the king. So he sent his most trusted servant to bring back the nightingale. The servant went into the forest. By and by, he came upon a plain brown bird singing a sweet song. It was the nightingale. "Will you come to the palace and sing for the king?" asked the servant. "Of course," said the nightingale. At the palace, the nightingale sang and sang. The king loved the music so much that he cried. "I will buy you a fancy cage so you can sing for me always," he said. So he did. By and by, a present came from the King of Japan. Inside was a toy nightingale. It was made of gold and covered with jewels. The king wound up the toy bird, and it sang. "This is so pretty. I will place it in the cage with the real nightingale," he said. So he did. By and by, the king seemed to forget all about the real nightingale. Feeling unwanted, he flew back to the forest. "No matter, the toy bird is better," said the servant. Every night the king listened to the toy bird sing, but one day it broke. "It will never sing again," the servant said sadly. Years passed, and the king grew very sick. "My only wish is to hear the music of a nightingale," he said. He begged the toy bird to sing, but, of course, it did not. By and by, the real nightingale heard that the king was sick and flew to his window. There, he sang a song so sweet that the king was quickly healed. "Dear nightingale, you made me well. Come back. I will throw away the toy bird. Then you can live in the cage all by yourself," said the king. "No, keep the toy bird," said the nightingale. "I like the forest, but I will come to your window every night to sing." So he did, and his sweet music brought joy to everyone in the palace forevermore. Glossary. Healed, made well. Nightingale, a kind of bird. Palace, a castle where a king lives. Servant, someone who works for the king. Trusted, honest.